So we got this guy was riding by saying something on his motorcycle. He's selling fish right here on the motor. How you doing, buddy? See, and he's selling the fish, and these are live, fresh fish.
Very fresh.
On this motorcycle. And this is a little Honda something. And he's got ice cold, and they're on ice. Fresh fishes, some kind. What we caught today. And then he's got a scale on the back of the bike. 2 different kinds, 3 different kinds, three different kinds. Pretty big. Trying to get a kilo, which is 2.2 pounds. And that's for dinner today. That's what they're doing. He's gonna bag it up. Bag it up, and he's a Catholic fisherman. No, he's Catholic, and she's his mother. But it's all good, man. Look here. Cool bike too, man. He's done some customizing right here a little bit. New seat cover, nice and cool in that cooler. He's made this
Styrofoam.
Yep, it's got him some styrofoam right here. It's pretty cool, man. Got his pan for weighing. Got the scale set up to meet the pan. There it goes. Keeps that from bouncing around. It goes up and down the hill.
150 ang bages, 160 ang kuan munget.
So, sounds like one type of fish is one price, the other type of fish is another price. So another customer's on his way. See? What a cool store, man. This is a cool way of having a store.
150, 160. 150 na.
Whichever kind he wants. You can check out those fishes. Just go through and pick what you want. That's pretty cool, man. And it is 9:10 in the morning. He comes through here at 9:10 in the morning, just like in the market. Again, we weigh it. There we go. Weigh it away. Another day on the, for the fishermen here. Gonna get him a couple of those too. And when he's all done with all the fish, then he can go home for the day. He's been up all night fishing. They stay up all night fishing, so he's already been up all night. Now he's up in the daytime there. Look at that, 2 different kinds, 2 different bags, separated, different kinds here. Get out the road. I don't know what kind of fish these are, but this is one kind. And then over here is a different type. Right here. Hey, thanks. Thanks for letting me film that, man. I appreciate that.
In America, have a fish dish?
No, I've never seen them, but I'm sure on the California side, same ocean. California, same ocean as Philippines. Pacific Ocean, you know. So maybe, but I don't know. But on the New York side, no. New York side's Atlantic. It's different fish. It's cold over there. California side's warm, yeah, like Philippines. Anyways, thanks, man.
Thank you very much,
Take
sir.
care. Appreciate it. Have a great day and good luck. I hope you sell all of it soon.
Okay.
See you, buddy.
Maoyong Buntag.
All right, buddy.